Yo, what's up everyone? It's Anthony Doty here, and today we're talking about leveling up your website game with AI. We're talking about adding a chatbot to your website, and I'm going to walk you through how to do it in under 10 minutes, start to finish. That's right, we're talking about a chatbot that can book clients, answer questions, and work 24/7, all while you focus on the bigger picture. We're going to break it down step by step, using simple tools and no complicated jargon. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional chatbot on your website, ready to engage your visitors and make your life a whole lot easier. So, let's jump in and get this done. First things first, we need to pick the right chatbot platform for the job. If you're mainly on Facebook and Instagram, ManyChat is super user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with those platforms. If you're looking for a platform that combines live chat with automation, TDO is a solid choice. For those who love a good visual drag-and-drop interface, Landbot is super intuitive and fun to use. No matter which platform you choose, make sure it works with your website builder, whether it's WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace, or something else. Once you're inside your chosen chatbot platform, you have two options: build it yourself or use a pre-built template. Most platforms have a library of templates for different industries and purposes. Find one that's close to what you need and customize it to your liking. If you're feeling adventurous, you can build your chatbot from scratch using the platform's drag-and-drop editor. The key here is to keep it simple. Think like a customer visiting your website. Guide them through the conversation, one question at a time. And don't forget to inject a little personality into your chatbot's responses. Now that your chatbot is ready to roll, it's time to connect it to your website. Every chatbot platform provides you with a little snippet of code called an embed script. It's basically a set of instructions that tells your website how to display the chatbot. All you have to do is copy this code. It's usually located in the settings or integration section of your chatbot platform. Once you've got that code copied and ready to go, it's time to head over to your website editor and paste it in the right spot. Don't worry, we'll cover that in the next step. Alright, here's where the magic happens. We're going to connect your chatbot to your website. For WordPress users, you can use a handy plugin like Insert Headers and Footers to easily add the code to your website's header or footer. Shopify users, head over to your online store settings, then Themes, edit code, and paste the code into your theme.liquid file just before the closing body tag. And for those using Wix or Squarespace, look for the custom code or embed section on your page or site-wide settings. It's usually a matter of finding the right spot and pasting the code. Once you're done, hit save and get ready for the next step. The moment of truth. Hit that refresh button on your website and boom, your chatbot should appear in all its glory, ready to greet your visitors. Now, before you start sending people its way, it's a good idea to test it out yourself. Go through the conversation flow, see how it responds, and make sure everything looks and feels right. If something seems off, no worries. Just go back to your chatbot platform, tweak the settings, and test again until it's perfect. Once you're happy with how it's working, you're ready to unleash it upon the world. Congratulations, you've officially added a chatbot to your website. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward guide to adding a chatbot to your website in just a few minutes. Now you can sit back, relax, and let your chatbot handle those repetitive tasks while you focus on growing your business. If you'd rather skip the setup and get a custom chatbot that's already built and ready to roll, I've got you covered. Head over to iChatbotter.com and let's chat about how I can help you take your website to the next level with a powerful, personalized AI chatbot. Until next time, keep crushing it.